Do you think restaurant quality pizza is just too difficult to make from home? I'm Megan with WTI, and I'm here to tell you that it's absolutely not too difficult thanks to this Cozze pizza oven. The secret to an incredible pizza crust is very high, consistent heat that evenly cooks the pizza dough. This pizza oven definitely accomplishes all of that. The absolutely game-changing feature is the rotating pizza stone. This makes getting evenly cooked pizza crust so much easier and so much more hands-off. The instruction manual said to heat up the pizza oven for like a good 20 minutes, but I found that our oven was ready way before that time. It gets very, very hot. Wow, it is so powerful. I found that it created just this airy, fluffy pizza dough with this incredible texture. Our pizzas were ready in about 2 minutes. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. The design is just stunning. It will make a great addition to any outdoor dinner party. The ease of use and thoughtful design of this pizza oven makes me feel so much more confident in my pizza making. But that's just my point of view.